Good morning, everyone. Welcome to a day in my life. I have a fun day in the office today, so I thought I would take you along with me. Right now, I'm just prepping and getting the girls' breakfast ready. It's about 6:15, 6:30 a.m. right about now. I've already had my lemon water, done my meditation. Now it's time to get the girls ready for school. I give them these vitamins from Persona, these little daily packet of gummies. They like them. Now it's time for my coffee. Once I have them situated with breakfast, they'll go upstairs and get themselves ready, and then I will go and make the bed. Say good morning.
Good morning.
All right. So they are off to school. Now it's time to get myself ready. So I washed my hair last night and just kind of let it air dry. So now I'm just going over it with a flat iron. I've been loving these eye patches from Good Molecules. They're little caffeine patches. They're cooling. They feel really nice in the morning, so I'll usually keep them on my face until I'm done fixing my hair, and then I'll start in with makeup. I'm just running my flat iron over my hair real quickly just to smooth it out, straighten it a bit, make it look a little bit more sleek and chic from just letting it air dry overnight. Good morning, you guys. Welcome to a day in my life vlog. Today I am at the office working today. We are shooting content for our Instagram on BK Beauty. If you don't follow us, I'll link it down below. And I'm super excited because I'm going to be doing makeup on 3 models today. One of them is one of my friends. We're just doing some fun kind of like, you know, makeup artistry, educational content on Instagram, and I'm excited because I get to do the makeup, and it's been like forever since I got to do makeup. So I will take you back. I'm getting my station all set up. We'll say good morning to the ladies. Sophia, Lyric, and Janet are here. Hey guys, I'm vlogging, so I'm gonna come. You gotta come say hi. Hi. Say good morning, everyone. This is Sophia and Lyric and Janet. And we are going to be shooting in here today, so I'm just getting my kit all set up. I actually had to go and kind of restock my kit since I don't do like makeup anymore. I got rid of all of my foundations because they were just old and they need to be replaced. So I went out and purchased the new Nars foundation because I love this foundation. It looks like skin, it's beautiful, and I think it really works well for like all skin types. And then I also packed a few of my favorite foundation. This is the Face Atelier. And if you are newer to my channel, you probably haven't heard me mention this, but I'm gonna link a video that I talked about this foundation years ago, and I still love it. So this foundation is what I used to stock in my makeup kit when I was a working makeup artist years ago. I love it because you can buy it in these pro sizes. If you buy the normal size, it actually comes in like a big bottle. But this is a beautiful foundation. It's very long wearing. It looks good on all like skin types and skin tones, and also like ages. So whether, because when I was a makeup artist, I would do a lot of weddings. So I would do like, you know, 25, 28-year-old brides, but I would do their mothers, I would do their grandmothers, and this worked well on everybody. So I'm just getting everything set up right now. We've got some good natural light coming in today. We're gonna set this backdrop back here and kind of film this way. So I'm excited. Getting everything set up. Today Andre is shooting and Lyric and Sophia are helping catch some behind the scenes footage. This was so much fun. I hadn't done makeup in so long, and I just was reminded of like how much I love it. I really want to start doing more of these shoots in our office for our Instagram, or just even doing more YouTube videos where I do someone else's makeup. I know that's probably one of my most consistent requested videos, is to do other people's makeup on my YouTube channel. So if you like that idea, let me know in the comment section below, because I had so much fun. This was like one of those days where I was at work and I literally had to stop and think to myself, is this work? Like, how is this work? This is just so fun. Felt so grateful. Then I just got a little computer work done, and then model number 2 arrived. This was Sarah. She's so beautiful. We created a really pretty purple look on her using the shade Kate from the True Beauty palette.
This is so much fun.
So
Yeah, thank you for your
like.
what? I'm not as like I can't do that.
I'm not that confident either.
Confident. I'm goofy. There's a difference.
And our last model of the day was fun because this is my friend Beverly. Her daughter and my daughter are little buddies from school, so I had fun doing her makeup. Are you organizing the shelves?
I'm trying to make an aesthetic video with the lipsticks.
Oh, nice.
But sometimes it doesn't turn out the way I want. You're probably like, what on earth?
I just had to.
That's so funny.
I am getting a video ready to go up tomorrow. This video's going up tomorrow. I'm testing a bunch of Physicians Formula products and talking about this new Holy Grail powder that I love, which you guys have probably already heard me talk about. So I'm just kind of getting the video ready, tagging all of the products and topics that I am talking about in this video.
Hello! Hello! Hi, my sweet little thing. Oh, goodness. I'm so happy to see you, too. Yes.
Now it's about 5:45, 6 p.m. and I took Mila on a little walk in our trails in our neighborhood. She's so funny. She like doesn't do walks very well. She'll walk for like, I don't know, 5 or 10 minutes and then she'll be done. So our walks, if we try and do a long walk, really consist of her walking for like, 10 minutes and then me carrying her for 10 minutes and then I'll make her walk again for another 5 or 10 minutes and then I'll carry her. But she's still little enough to where it's easy to do that. But she has so much fun on these trails. We have really neat trails in our neighborhood. It's like you don't even feel like you're in a neighborhood. And she loves exploring and smelling all the smells and other dogs. So it is about 6 p.m. The sun is starting to come down. It's causing a little bit of a lighting situation here. I'm getting ready to remove my makeup, kind of get in my jammies for the day and have dinner, have a glass of wine, relax. Today was a great success. I was so happy with the way the shoot went. I was a little, I don't know if nervous is the right word, but I haven't done makeup like that in a while. I used to do so much makeup. When I did weddings, I would do 6, 8, 9 people in a day, but I haven't done that in years. And I don't even know when the last time I did anyone's makeup was. It's been a long time. So just kind of prepping and, I was just like, oh, I hope I still have it, but I was really happy with the way the makeup came out. The models were great. And I'm excited to see the, the videos come together. I am going to wash all my makeup off. I thought I would share that little routine with you. I removed my lashes. So next I'm going to just pull my hair back and I'm going to go in first with the Dermalogica Pre-Cleanse Oil. I've been using this for a while. I'm almost out of it. So I'm just going to do 2 pumps of it in my hand, rub it between my hands and just kind of like press it on my face. Oh, and just like rub my eyes. It's so nice not having lash extensions and being able to do this on your eyes. You have no idea. Oh, it feels good. I'm gonna really work this in to get all that makeup off. I don't have mascara on today since I had lashes, so all that off. Okay. And next I'm gonna go in with this. This is a product by Sulwhasoo. It's called their Activating Serum. I've been working with them and I've been using this product for, I don't know, maybe about a month or so. It's like a blend between a serum and an essence. And I just do 2 pumps of it. And then I'm just gonna kind of press it on my face. It's really nice. It's an essence. It's very hydrating though. Okay, and I've been using 2 different moisturizers at night, depending on how dry my skin is. I've been using this one from Pharmacy. It's their Honey Halo. It says it's an ultra hydrating ceramide moisturizer. I honestly don't feel like this is super hydrating. It's got this really pretty whipped formula. It feels nice, but when I put this on the next morning, my skin still feels dry. So I have been using this one on the days that my skin feels super dry. This is from Sulwhasoo and it's their concentrated ginseng renewing cream light. I don't know why it says light. It's actually really rich. So I'll put this on. I'm gonna put this on today because my skin is really dry today. I noticed when I did my makeup this morning, my skin just like just sucked it up. And then throughout the day, I felt like my makeup looked really heavy just because my skin was so dry. Oh, this feels so good. And I'm not using an eye cream. I'm just using this underneath my eyes. And it's kind of as simple as I'm gonna keep it today. That's all I'm gonna do. And then later tonight, I'll put on my Revita Lash and my Revita Brow. Actually, let's put the Revita Brow on now. I like to put the Revita Lash on right before I go to bed because I feel like it does kind of irritate my eyes. My eyes are really red the next morning. So I'm gonna wait until I put it on and close my eyes rather than have it on and have my eyes open all night long. And then I'm gonna put a little lip balm. This is just a Chanel lip balm. I don't really have an opinion about it. I got it free in some like gift bag. It feels nice. And that's it, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and say goodnight, goodbye. I'm gonna go have dinner. We are having tilapia and pasta tonight. And I think we're just gonna lay low, maybe watch a show, a movie, and relax. Hope you enjoyed this video and this vlog, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.